In our daily activities, protecting our health is key. We want to avoid danger and stay safe even with regular tasks. Like Olivia, when she's riding her bike to work. And working in a laboratory environment, protective equipment is essential. To be able to trust this protection, we must regularly test its functionality. Again, and again, and again. Nothing can harm us now, we think. But there are hazards we can't see.
Was?
Or smell.
Sicher nicht.
But don't worry, Olivia, SKAN is by your side. Contest is a practice-related containment test for laboratory fume cupboards. The unique and patented test detects gaps and weak points of your laboratory hood in just 10 minutes. Be like Olivia and get expert advice from SKAN. The SKAN Contest, to make sure we can rely on the things that are supposed to protect us.